Hi, I'm George, TSG's HPI Product Manager. In this short demo, I'm going to compare adding documents in Alfresco Share versus HPI. So here we are in Alfresco Share, and for this scenario, let's say I'm in a claims folder, an insurance claim, and I need to add a few documents to the folder. So in this folder, I see one claim report, and I have a couple new claim reports that I want to add to the folder. So in Share, there's a couple of options for adding documents. I can click this upload button, and now I can browse through my folders. And unfortunately, there's no drag and drop here. I have to, dive through my folders in order to find the document. However, I can drag and drop directly on top of the folder within Share. So I'll go ahead and do that, and I find my documents on my system, and I'm just going to drag them into the folder. Now the upload happens right away, which is nice because the documents, start going right away and here they are in the folder. However, there are a few downsides to this. First of all, the user has no ability to choose what document type these are. Now the administrator can configure rules that say, anything that comes in this folder is a claim document. But if there are multiple types and the user has to choose what type each document is, there's no way to do that without writing custom code to customize Share. More common requirement, however, is the ability to set metadata on the document during the upload, and there's no way to do that in Share. If I need to set properties on these documents, the only way I have to do that is to drag and drop them into the folder and then individually go to each document and edit their properties. So let's flip over to HPI now and we'll go through the same scenario. So here I am in the same claim folder. I have my one claim report in there and I need to add a couple new documents. So one of my actions in HPI on the folder is to add new documents. I'll go ahead and click that and we can see there's a number of ways I can add documents. I can click to select the documents, dive through my folders. We can drag and drop, which I'll show in a second. But we also have other options as well. I can generate a cover page for scanning. I can create a document from a template if I have templates configured. Or we can, of course, drag and drop, which is what we're going to do here. So I'll just grab these same two documents and drag them in. And here they are. And now I can add more if I like, or I can go to the next page. So here, the user has a way to choose what type of documents these are. So for this example, I'm just going to say these are claim documents. And then since I uploaded more than one document, the bulk properties page appears. So if there are attributes that I need to set in bulk, I can do that here without needing to key in each attribute individually. So for this, let's say I want to set both of these two in the reports tag. So I'll go ahead and do that. And let's say maybe the examiner for both of these reports is Sally. So I'll go ahead and do that. We can also notice here that some properties were automatically inherited by the folder, which is very nice because in a lot of scenarios, we want to inherit that from those properties from the folder, and we don't need to rekey things like the claim number or the policy number. So I'm going to go to the next screen here. And now I have the ability to set the properties for each individual document. You can also see here that some properties are required versus not required. And for example, if I change this, let's just change this to a blank. And this is going to now tell me that I need to set a status before going ahead and finishing. So I'll change this back to open. And if everything looks great, I'll go ahead to the next one. And here, now I can set my properties for the next document. So one of the common things is to set properties individually. So let's go ahead and set the report date. Let's say this one I think was June 17th. And let's go back to this one and we'll change this one to June 4th. So now that we're finished, I'm going to go ahead and complete the upload. And now the documents are in the folder. Well, that's it for this short demo. Thanks for watching. For more information, check out our website and blog at tsgrp.com.